Hey, it's Whitney here to share with you a very simple way for you to de-stress, to reduce anxiety or feelings of anxiety, to boost your mood from grumpiness to happiness, and to relax inside and out. This also includes helping you with some sleep challenges because that's all tied in together. A lot of the reasons people feel stressed or they're not relaxed or they're in a bad mood is because they're not getting enough sleep. This is something that I've been doing for years. It's made a profound impact on me, so I'm hoping that it does the same for you too. First of all, if you are feeling stressed out a lot, know that you're not alone. This is incredibly common. You probably know that if you're on social media, because I feel like when I go on Instagram, there's a lot of people talking about being stressed. Society can cause us to feel very chaotic. We're trying to do way too much. A lot of us are not sleeping enough because maybe you have some sleep challenges, or maybe you feel like your schedule doesn't allow you to sleep enough. Maybe you're a parent and you have children that get in the way of some sleep. Maybe you are not taking the best care of your body. That's actually one of the #1 reasons people feel stressed out, is because they're not drinking enough water, they're not moving their body, they're putting foods into their body that aren't making them feel very good, and that builds up as tension. Maybe you haven't meditated or had a massage ever, or not very frequently, and you're just holding all of this stress in your body. Really getting to the root of why your stress is important. However, I know that life could get in the way and you're probably looking for a simple solution. That's why you're here. So that's what I'm gonna give you today. My tip for you is to add more magnesium into your diet. Research has found that 80% of Americans alone are deficient in magnesium. A, they probably don't get enough variety in their diet because you can get magnesium naturally from foods, of course. B is that Americans are very stressed, and that can actually lead to deficiency. Some Americans are over-exercising. It's very common with this big exercise culture that society perpetuates. Having too much alcohol, sugar, soda, all of these things can lead to deficiency. And magnesium is super important for your bones, for your cellular health, for your immunity, for basically most of the major functions in your body. Magnesium is playing some sort of a role, and that's why it's so crucial. So when your body's not getting enough of something, that can lead to stress emotionally and physically. If you're feeling really low energy, if your body's feeling weak, and if you're getting things like muscle cramps, these are all signs of magnesium deficiency. That's basically your body crying out for help. For example, if you're going through a stage where you're exercising more than often, which is the case for me, then I really want to boost the amount of magnesium that I have to make up for anything that I'm losing through my sweat and through all the muscle work. You can get magnesium from all sorts of food sources like coffee, tea, chocolate, spices, nuts, green vegetables, but it's really hard to measure exactly how much you're getting. It really depends on the quality of that food, if it's processed or not. There's a lot of factors in there that make it challenging to measure. I really recommend considering some sort of a supplement externally or internally. So that's what we're going to talk about today. The first version of magnesium supplement I'll recommend is Magnesium Carbonate. This is pretty common. Sometimes you'll see it listed as Magnesium Citrate because it's combined with citric acid. And this is really well known for anti-stress, anti-anxiety, promoting relaxation, helping you get restful sleep, dealing with muscle cramps, and just overall muscular function, healthy bones. I've been taking this type of supplement for years and I find it really helpful. I like to take it right before bed. And the one that I've fallen in love with recently is called Pure Essence Ionic Fizz Magnesium Plus. The plus because they add in all types of other vitamin and minerals, including things like B12, things that can really support you with your immunity and overall health. This tastes so fantastic. This is the best tasting version of that magnesium carbonate or citrate that I mentioned. I've tried another brand that I liked for a little while, but it was way too tart for me. One of the things that I really appreciate about this, especially this orange vanilla flavor, it's very smooth. You just mix this into water, which also makes it a lot easier for your body to absorb versus like a capsule that has to break down in your body. It gets really fizzy. It's very enjoyable. They also have a raspberry lemon flavor, which is really popular. You can get it in these sample packets or you can get the whole container. It comes with a little scoop, just plop it into some water. It fizzes, you drink it. They have a few other flavors. You can check out the website down below. I've actually partnered up with them and I've been taking this for a few months and it's just become a great ritual for me. I'll take this anytime I feel anxious before bed. It really helps me relax. I also like to take it when I'm working out a lot. You're losing a lot of those electrolytes, and this is replenishing it back into the body. So if you're looking for something simple that tastes really great, has a bunch of other great ingredients in it, is certified vegan, gluten-free, non-GMO, made from a really great company, this is my top recommendation. My second magnesium recommendation for you is something that you might already be using and not even realize that it's part of a healthy anti-stress routine, and that is Epsom salt, which is also magnesium sulfate. This is so wonderful. You take this externally, of course, you pour it into your bath. Some people actually can take it internally. It depends if it's food grade or not. It can actually be used for constipation. But the way that I use it and have been using it for years to relax, to get restful sleep and deal with muscular cramps, as well as things like an achy body. It can be great for bruises and sprains, anything muscular going on. You can just pour this into your bathtub. Sometimes you can use the whole bag. I usually use about 1 pound, half a bag in this case, depending on how sore I am. And it's getting absorbed into your body through your largest organ, which is your skin. It is wonderful to do right before you go to bed or right after you've had really strenuous exercise. It's very affordable. I buy a 2-pound bag for 99 cents at the 99-cent store. You can get it online. I'm gonna link to Amazon for you. You'll look at it in the health and body section, and along with any sort of muscular related products there, you'll find it. Most stores are gonna carry Epsom salt. Just make sure that it says USP on there. This specific brand is for external use only, and it says it right there. It's not food grade, so don't take this for constipation. Speaking of constipation, which is a lovely subject, the third version of magnesium that I want to recommend to you is something that I've taken for those challenging digestive times, and something I really recommend taking sparingly. This is a form of magnesium called Magnesium Oxide, and this is designed to help move things through your intestines if you feel things like intense gas or bloating or, like I said, constipation, and you really want that extra help. I give you a little warning here because it's not something that I personally would recommend taking that often. I'll have it maybe a couple times a year. Sometimes I eat something that just doesn't agree with me, and this is a bit of a lifesaver. This is Oxy powder from Global Healing Center that's designed to gently cleanse and detoxify your entire digestive tract. It works. It's very powerful. If you're gonna try this, start small. I recommend 4 capsules. You might wanna start with 2 or 3 because every body is a little different in terms of sensitivity. And then you can actually boost it up to more capsules if you need it. There are instructions on the back of the bottle as well as their website. So make sure that you check that out. The website's linked to down below. And I am using an affiliate link, by the way. A number of these are affiliate links. So if you buy something based on my recommendation, I might receive a commission. But I would recommend them to you regardless. I've been using this product, for example, for I think 4 years, and it's really wonderful. Plus, it lasts a long time. Just make sure that you check the label on the bottom for the expiration date. The theme of this video was to help you de-stress and relax overall. This would be my top choice. I have partnered with them, transparency, but I really, really, really love this. If you like orange and vanilla, I'm raving about this, and they said that their raspberry lemon is also very popular, so I would try that too. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning about magnesium. I hope that some of these options will help you de-stress, to feel more relaxed, to sleep better, and to reduce muscle cramps and soreness, because who wants those? These are things that we deal with on a regular basis, so wouldn't it be amazing if adding in a supplement could help? In my experience, it has. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. What has your experience been with magnesium? What are some ways that you like to de-stress, to relax, to get some sleep? Let's have a whole conversation around it so that we can communicate and you can help other people watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, you can hit the subscription button and turn on the notifications so you'll be alerted for more videos, tips and tricks on how to live a lifestyle that's in harmony with your body and the planet. I'm here for you. I'd love to keep in touch through social media at EcoVeganGal. Links are all down below in the description field. And until next time, I'm wishing you all the very best with your lifestyle and hoping that you feel the least amount of stress in your life possible. Bye.